back to my cooking channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. Today we are doing stir fry. If you are following me by now, you know I love stir fry a lot. So at times I use beef, at times I use chicken, at times I also use fish. So today I'll be using chicken. This is the ingredients I'll be using. We have oil to shallow fry it, and we have 3 Scotch bonnet pepper, cooking wine, we have seasoning, liquid seasoning, we have soy sauce, we have oyster sauce, and we have stir fry sauce. So those are the pepper, red pepper and yellow one and the orange one. We don't have the green one today. Hey! So that's broccoli and mushroom and one medium size of onion. So those are the things we're using. I will be using this salt and garlic, dry garlic and onions and little curry to spice it up the chicken. I won't use all the sauce or the salt. I will use them later if we need it. And this is the liquid Maggi. You can use any sweetener you want. So those are the things I'm using today. Thank you. So I'm just mixing it. Mix it. I will just fry it immediately. I don't have to wait for it to marinate for overnight or hours. Okay, let's go and fry. Okay, so I put the oil. I wait for the oil to just hot a little bit. I'll do all of them together at the same time.
Cooking food is not a party. We dey cook, we not take classes. Oh, food white rice in a day party. My samosa tight, you know elastic. I want chopping yam.
Wow, this is just 3 minutes in here. It's already look as if it's done, but it's not done. You just leave it a little bit, at least 7 minutes for the stir fry time before you take it out. This may even pass 7 minutes today because I want to like some of them to be brown before I take them out. Yeah, that's how I want to do it. So if I'm doing my stir fry, because I do it almost every time, so I like to eat it different ways. Today, I want it to be brown. The chicken is 1.1 kilo. So we're done frying. This one is really brown. I let it fry. I tell you, more they go brown like this, more good taste you get from your stir fry. This one just said, prove me wrong. Very tasty with that little thing we used to season it. Try it. If you have tried different one before, try this brown one. The next with the fried pepper. You know we don't need the pepper for it to be too done. Every other thing will not be too done, except the chicken. I'll fry this one together like 3 minutes. Then I will add the broccoli. 3 minutes after, I'm adding broccoli and I add onions too. Remember, none of them really need to done because we need it fresh. Put the chicken back. So you need them to mix together. So I'll be adding the scotch bonnet pepper
go swallow to go inside. Get a fish and okra, oh yeah, see black cutter. Garnish everything with the pomo. With the onions and pepper, make my
And I will add the cooking wine. It's not really wine though. This is cooking wine. I like the smell for stir fry once in a while, not all the time. Just to change the taste of what you are eating, so it won't be as if you eat the same thing every time. So that's why I changed the ingredients I use. If you watch my other stir fry, what I use for this one, I might not use it for the other one. I change it little by little. Thank you. I'm adding a soy sauce now. And stir fry sauce. I just smell it. Three of them are almost the same, but they taste different. So the tastes are different. You can use one if that's what you have. As I said, I eat stir fry almost all the time. Those tastes are the one that make me be able to keep eating them, because I change the taste. So it won't look like what I ate before, or maybe the same thing. So look for a way to play with the ingredients around. Yeah. So this is the remaining sweetener, the liquid, the one I use to season the chicken. I will just leave it for like 3 to 4 minutes. I don't think so. 3 minutes is okay, not 4 minutes. Yeah. Phew. Voila, 3 minutes time. We're done. 3 minutes. You can see the onions is even cooked. See? Everything is cooked. The broccoli is cooked. That's okay for me. 3 minutes is 3 minutes. Thank you for watching. Let it cool a little bit with the rice, then serve.
Sometimes see I dey cook food, but it depends on what you like. Agbolo super, and the jam go swallow to go inside. Get a fish and okra, oh yeah, see black cutter. Garnish everything with the pomo. Put the onions and pepper, make Maggi no much with the dick and go inside. Yummy taste. We get it too many ways. Cooking food is not a bad thing. We dey cook, we not take classes. Full white rice in at the party. My samosa tight in no elastic. I want choppy yam and beans. I want a 4 kilo and wheat. I want like 1 kilo of beef. I no go chop it in no be rice. I go see I no fin salad on divide. Clock and fish up Morocco on the table. You go confirm and say you done belly full.